everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an aesthetic border or outline effects to your image using Spring Video Editor. It's super easy, totally free, and perfect for giving your photo a trendy look. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Spring Video Editor app and then create a new project and then choose any background colors that you like. Just go to Image Assets and then just choose your background. I will choose this one and then just adjust the durations as you like. Next, just go to overlay and then import your photo. Like this, and then go to magic remover to remove the background of your photo. This step is important because outline effect works best with a transparent background around the objects like this. And then just adjust the size of your photo, maybe like this, and just position it as you like. Next, just add the outline. Just go to effects, this one, and then search for contour. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just tap on get more and then search for contour. This one, just tap on it and then just download the effects like this. After that, just select it and then you will instantly see a clean border appears around your subjects like this. And from here you can adjust the thickness, color, and style of the outline until it looks exactly how you want. Just adjust as you like. Like this. And next, if you want to create a collage or add more outline images, just import another photo and repeat the same steps. And once all your outline photos are in place, feel free to customize your designs even more, like add text with the stylish fonts or apply filters for unique vibes or just use animations to make your final project stand out. And that's it, you have just learned how to add an aesthetic border or outline effects to your image in Spring Video Editor. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!